Good morning from Mairang. Today we will be going to another offbeat place in Meghalaya. It's 5:30 in the morning and quite chilly. And that's our car waiting for us. And as you can see, the sun is just peeking in the horizon. Good morning from a very cold and foggy morning in Meghalaya. It's extremely cold here. So today is another day of exploring offbeat Meghalaya. So we started from Mairang town at around 6 a.m. It was dark and really foggy on the road. And now we are heading towards another offbeat place, Markham Valley. We just now had breakfast at this small eatery on the road. We had rice and chicken. So this is Markham Valley. It is so quiet and peaceful here, and we seem to be the only ones here. We are actually exploring some really offbeat places in Meghalaya this time. Markham Valley, it's meadows and meadows all around. Just look around. That was Markham Valley for you. Another beautiful and offbeat place in Meghalaya. Hope we were able to bring out the wanderlust in you. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and share this with your family, friends and neighbors. Also, please subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Until then, goodbye and see you soon.